Hello students, now we are going to see the second poem, Our Casuarina Tree, written by Toru Dutt. The poem begins with the description of the tree. Let's move to the first stanza. Like a huge python winding round and round the rugged trunk indented with the scars, up to its very summit near the stars, a creeper climbs in whose embraces bound no other tree could live but gallantly. Like a huge python winding round and round, which is like a huge python, the creepers. The poetess compares the climbers with the python. What is a python? It is a big species of snake known for its huge size. So the poetess compares the climbers to a python winding round and round the rugged trunk. What do you mean by rugged? Rugged means steady and strong trunk. Look at the python. This is a python. See how huge it is and how it climbs around the trunk. Like the huge python winding round and round the rugged trunk, indented with scars. Rugged trunk. Why it is called as rugged trunk? What do you call as trunk? Trunk is called the bark of the tree. Trunk is the bark of the tree. Rugged means very strong. The trunk is very strong. So, indented with the scars, because the climbers are climbing, isn't it? Indented with the scars. Why it is indented? What is indented? The bark of the tree is indented with the scars. The creeper grows around the trunk and make deep marks, that is scars over it, and up to its very summit near the stars. The tree grows near the summit. What do you mean by summit? Summit means top, that is reaches the sky. See the look at the picture. Yes, it is called as summit. Up to its very summit near the stars, it grows. Although the creeper had left marks on the trees, it supports the creeper to climb on, and it reaches the summit, which summit at the top it reaches, and we look as if it reaches the stars. A creeper climbs in whose embraces bound. A creeper climbs. What do you mean by a creeper climbs? The creeper, which is like a python, it climbs on the trunk of the tree, in whose embraces. What do you mean by embraces? Embraces means hugging. The creeper hugs the tree trunk and bound no other tree could live, because the creeper is wrapped tight around the tree. It hugs very tightly around the tree. How is the creeper? The creeper is very huge. If the creeper is very huge, there is no chance of survival of any other tree. That is the thing the poet says here. No other tree could live but gallantly. Gallantly means but bravely. The casuarina tree lives here. The poet says that the casuarina tree is a tall, strong tree. It has a trunk with many scars on its surface. The top of the tree is very high. It looks as if it would touch the stars. A creeper, which is like a huge python, winds over the trunk of the tree. Any other tree wrapped around the trunk would die, but this casuarina tree is very strong. It manages to survive in spite of the tight grasp. Thus the 5 lines ends, my dears. Now I'll ask you the question. What does the poet talk about here? The poet talks about her casuarina tree. Is the tree tall or short? The tree is very tall. How it is very tall? It reaches the summit. It seems to reach the summit and to touch the stars. What is compared to python? Creeper is compared to python. What climbs around the trunk? The creeper climbs around the trunk. What is a creeper? A creeper is a climbing plant. How does the tree survive the tight hold of the creeper? The tree is so immense, strong and powerful, so it survives the tight hold of the creeper. Why does the poet use the expression a creeper climbs? Because it is a vine plant. Thank you.